Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Patek Philippe Calatrava 7122-200R-001 in rose gold with a white dial. I'll tell you a little bit about the history of this watch. Then I'll tell you about where it stands in the lineup of other similar Calatravas. Then I'll tell you about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement, finally tried on and give you my thoughts. So let's start. This watch was produced in 2016. Now it's 2026, so that makes it 10 years ago. They produced it for approximately 4 years, and then they stopped. Why exactly they stopped, I don't know, but they don't usually stop and never do it something again. So a lot of times, Patek will start something, stop it, and then bring it back later on. Maybe this is just one of them. And so we're going to talk about it. Now, where does it stand in the lineup? So that's also, I don't have that much history to tell you since it was just produced for 4 years. And the next thing is, where does it stand in the lineup? Well, they only produced really 2 variations of this. Rose gold, which was like what you're looking at right now with a white dial. And they also made one with white gold. So both are really cool. The white gold is also with a white dial. So basically the only difference was the material of the case. And so, actually, I really don't know why they discontinued it, because it is a pretty unique and cool watch, which I'm gonna explain when I go through what are some of the quirks and features of this one that kind of distinguish it from others. Okay, so let's start with the case. Now, the diameter here is 33 millimeters. Why is this significant? Okay, well, if you look at the current catalog as of 2026 in the Calatrava section, you'll see there's nothing else that looks like this. I wonder why. I really don't. I actually don't know. The other ones that they have right now, I think it's called reference, the 7200. They have it in like different, like white gold, and they have many variations of it. Okay, but it just doesn't look anything like what you're looking at here. The case on size is also 34.6 on that 7200, and this case size is 33. Now, I'm going to say that most women should actually be wearing a mid-size somewhere in the 31, 33 range, as opposed to this 34.6, almost 35 millimeter, because that's also almost large. And so once they got rid of this 33 millimeter, they don't have any small sizes anymore, any Calatravas that are small size at Patek. So there's nothing to fill this void, which makes me think that they're going to bring it back at some point. But at any rate, it's 33 millimeters. The mid-size for a Rolex, by example, is 31 millimeters. And for a AP, the mid-size for ladies is going to be 34. So this one at 33, it's falling right in line. It's a perfect size if you ask me. And so, yeah, the height of it, or the thickness of it, is 7 millimeters. Also very thin, super thin actually. And you might wonder, like, wow, how did they happen to make it so thin? Well, you know, they are Patek, right? So yeah. Okay, so what else can we say about this watch on the case? What is so interesting about the case is that if you look at the bezel, normally you have diamonds going all the way around the entirety of the case. Okay, and that makes the watch look like you just have a full row of diamonds. Here you actually have the lugs attached on top and stopping it, the diamonds going all the way around. You don't usually see that. Actually, I can't think of any other company that does it. They've put the lugs on top of the diamonds as opposed to putting the diamonds on top of the lugs, or at least where it connects. And that makes the watch look very unique. I don't really see any other watches that do that, okay? So that's pretty cool. And then, of course, you have the diamonds on the lugs, or on the bezel, which really gives the watch a unique and beautiful look to it. All right, so now let's move on to the next part, now that we talked about the case, which is the dial. The dial is a white dial. You have the small seconds running at the bottom, but this is so interesting. I have never seen this on any other watch. Look at the hour markers. They're actually the same motif, or in this case, Patek calls them hobnail. So they have a hobnail design on the hour markers. Now, Patek has used those hobnails on the bezel, but they never used it on the dial, at least that I know of. And I think I know quite a bit, considering I've been reviewing a lot of these watches. But the hobnail, for example, is on the men's Calatrava reference 6119, but it's on the bezel, not on the dial. So Patek decided to do the hobnail on the hour markers, which I think is really neat. And so the watch ends up being really funky. Most people would even see this. Diamonds are interrupted, hobnail hour markers. Yeah, very cool. And then pair it off with a white leather strap. I think it's quite nice. It has a prong buckle. And then look at the movement here. The movement looks fantastic. Of course it does. Patek always making fantastic looking movements. It's going to be a caliber 215 PS. And the reason why it's so thin is because it's actually a manual wind movement. You actually have to wind it. And that's probably why it doesn't have a date, because you have to wind it, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. It has a power reserve of 44 hours, which, there's something kind of intimate about winding the watch that then ticks on your wrist and reads you the time. I think that's pretty cool. It only has 130 components, which is probably why it's so thin, and leave it up to Patek to really know how to make really ultra thin watches. Okay, well, that's pretty much what I have to say about this watch. So let's try it on and give you my thoughts. I really love the funkiness of this watch. The price point, by the way, is we're selling this watch in the low 20s. And we pretty much, even though it's discontinued, it's not difficult for us to get it. And you get to have a Patek in gold that's still modern, that's funky, totally different from what else other watches you've seen. And as I was saying, the size is really good at this 33 millimeters. All the other Calatravas that Patek is offering right now are the 7200 model. Those models are all going to be a little bit bigger at almost 35 millimeters. So anyways, I like the size, I like the funkiness of it, and I like the price. Price is always important, low 20s, and we can get a few at jazztime.com. So look, if you want to buy this watch at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.